Okay, so we're gonna kind of finish things up here. There's a couple other things we need to do. Um, One thing we need to take care of is this little piece, right? I guess it's stuck in a component, but see how this one hangs down? So we're gonna fix that. Um, and we're gonna add some blocking both to the gable end here, and then we're gonna put some blocking between the trusses. And then we're gonna try some sheeting. So I'm hoping if I come in here and edit this one, let's see if it does it on all four. Come on. Nope, wrong one. Push that up. Yep, it's doing it on the other side. Okay, we're going to put it right to there. And did it do it on all of them? Did not do it on that one. So we're going to have to do this twice. Get my line tool, and I'm just going to go straight up like that. Push, pull, chop that off. So it did do that over here, right? But it did not do it on this side. So if I come in here to this one again, we should be able to just do it here. And yep, it's working on both sides. Get my line tool again. We're going to go straight up where it goes purple. Where are you? We'll zoom in some more. Where's our... It's not working. Let's see if we... Oh, I clicked on the wrong one. It's going to be right there. Oh, line. Let's try that. How do we get our... Oops. Still not working. Where is it? Okay, guess we're going to cheat. We're going to go this way. Come on. Control Z. I'm just going to draw the line straight up like that. Oh, come back purple. Click. And I can push this out and erase that. Okay. Out. Look at that. And click out again. All right. So we fixed that issue. We got a nice straight edge all the way along. And so we're going to add blocking. It really doesn't matter where we do this. I'm gonna copy this, move. No, I'm not gonna do. No, not gonna do move. I'm gonna do. Well, it wouldn't matter. Control C. I'm gonna come over here. Control V. I'm gonna make this. Whoops, lost it. Make unique. I'm gonna explode it. I'm gonna explode it again. All I want are these two top pieces. So we're going to get rid of all of these. Whoops, this guy is apparently not a component any longer. All right, so these two we still want. All right, so I'm going to select both of those, move, and for now, let's just grab it right here. We're going to move it up. Let's just match it to this peak. Oops, missed it. Okay, we're going to move this back so it sits on top of the gable right here. And then we're going to do some modification. So let's see, what's the best way to do this? I think if I try grabbing it right here, move it, we can get it close. Now I can spin it around. Whew, that's a tricky, whoop, lost it. Fun little spot. Maybe it is there. Did I, oops. Why isn't escape working? Nope, we're a little off. You can see right here. So get my move tool, I'm going to grab it right there. I'm going to slide it over right there. All right. Now we have one component running through a whole bunch of things, and that's not okay. So we're going to, let's see, let's edit this one. And I'm going to draw a line, just a perpendicular line like that. Oops, we don't want to do this to every single one. Okay, Control Z. So before we do that, I'm going to shift, select both of those, make them unique, and I'm going to cut them. Control X. And I'm going to come in and Control V. I want to do it inside this component. This should automatically, didn't. Why didn't it copy to that side? Apparently it doesn't work. All right. Well, there might be another way to do this a little easier. So we're gonna, oh, not that. We want this moved down into here. Right, come on. Now let's just do that, and then we'll have to go back and do this part again. Click it right there, move it over. All right, so now I can go in, line, I'm just going to draw a straight line, push pull, chop that off, and you notice it did it to both. That's awesome. I'm going to push this down to right here. All right, and then I'm going to click out. I'm going to move, Control. I'm going to move this from here to there. And we're going to make this unique because this one is going to fit between here. Now I can take this one and I should be able to copy it and then go ×3, enter. And it puts those in. So it looks like nothing's changed, but there's a line. Okay, those are, we would actually have to cut those pieces. And this guy, see, there's no line there either. So we would have to take this board and notch it out like that. Not gonna let me do it. Oh, silly me. I drew outside the component. Common mistake. Okay, gotta come in here, edit, on my line, all the way around. And again, this is why we never hold the mouse button down. Like that. Now I should be able to get my push-pull and chop that piece out. And lose those weird extra lines. Okay. So we could take this piece and copy it up, or I could take these, move, Control. I'm just going to copy them over here out of the way for a second. Do my scale tool, flip them around, type -1, enter, move, and grab it right here. And I'm going to move them all up right there. And inferred on that move with that line. All right. Okay. So that is finished up. We've got a nice flat surface. The overhang's taken care of. We've got the blocking in there. But instead of redoing all that we just did here, I'm just gonna delete that. I'm gonna move, copy, and move this guy over here. Get my scale tool. Oh my goodness. Where do you go? Middle one, -1, enter. And I'm gonna grab it right here with my move. I'm gonna park it right there. And you remember this one's short. So I'm gonna come in here. I'm going to shift, select all of these, and we're going to make them unique. Oh, why won't it let me make them unique? Interesting. I just did this a few minutes ago and it worked fine. Make unique. There it is. Huh. Apparently it can't make. Anyways, you can pull these in. I can come over here, do the same thing. Make, oh, see, these ones it won't let me make unique. Huh. Why not? Which one is causing the problem? Apparently this last one's got an issue with it somehow. It's interesting. Yeah, see, it won't let me do anything with that one. So I guess we'll explode it, push, pull, match it, and then we can make it a new component. Interesting. Don't know why it's doing that. All right, we're going to add some blocking along the trusses. And the easiest way to do that, I'm going to come in here. I'm going to select this. I'm going to Control C, come out, Control V, and I got to be able to grab it in the right spot. So I'm going to grab it right here. Whoa. And I'm just going to put it right there. And I'm going to make it unique because I'm going to come on here. I'm going to shorten it right there. And then we're just going to move, Control, and often you'll find these staggered, kind of like that. So now, Shift Select, move, Control, and move straight over here. And, oh, what happened here? They didn't become unique. What happened? We're gonna have to fix that too. We'll look at that in a second. Control, I'm gonna have one extra, which is fine. Delete that. Select all of these guys. We're gonna move them. Control. Come on, where are you going? Holy cow. So we'll move them out this way. Scale. -1, enter. Move. And then we're going to put them on the other side as well. Again, there's not really a spot. You know, it might be better if we put them up near the top just for more support. I'll leave where you place. Oh, can't do that though, huh? Got to do the lower one at the top. And these don't have to be staggered either. You could have put them all in a row. But we're going to leave them like that. You can choose where you want to put them. Put them near the peak, or if you want to put them down a little bit lower, you can choose to stagger them if you want. That part I will leave up to you for this exercise. Now let's see if I can do something about this. Yeah, let's try this one more time. Maybe I forgot to make the other side unique. Okay, let me do it there. Pull, do that. That side stayed the same. All right. Oh, what? How come? Why is Sketchup glitching out on me? That one. Oh, something is going on with Sketchup. It's acting very strange. Those ones all stayed the same. All right, let's make sure we have this saved. Maybe I do need to purge. Maybe that's what's going on. Hey, that looks pretty good. I think the framing aspect is done. Let's do some sheet. Get my rectangle tool. We're going to start with a 4-foot. So it looks like I'm going to type 8 apostrophe comma 4 apostrophe enter. And what in the world? It's crooked. Got the square off. Let's try this again. No. Rectangle. And, okay. It's red. So we're going to go 4-foot, comma 8-foot, enter. And we're going to just do, let's do 1/2 inch. So 0.5 shift quotation, enter. All right. Let's, make that a component. Call that, let's just call it component. All right, so when we're sheeting, we're going to just kind of copy things all over the place. This is kind of how, what? I need to restart because it's being glitchy. So you notice that the 8-foot sheet didn't quite get to where it needed to go. So it's hanging off the edge. So we're actually going to move this guy in 0.75 inches so that it should be halfway over there. Now we can copy it. And we're going to put it right there. And I'm going to get this one again. Move, copy, control. Grab it right here. And we are going to put it right. So we're going to have to do the same kind of thing here, I believe. Why isn't it? Why isn't it matching? Here to there. Okay. So let's check this other edge. And it doesn't quite overlap. So we're going to move it this way, 0.75, shift quotation, enter. We're going to get a copy. And we're going to go right. I'm not grabbing the right spot. There. Okay. So Then what we do is we're going to make this unique. We're going to make this one unique. We're going to come in here and we're going to cut this off. We're going to match it right there. Straight up, push, pull, chop. Same thing down here. Line. Oh, I don't think I got it. Let's do it at the top so we don't have to. Line there. Straight down, push, pull, chop. All right. Whoops. So now we can take all of this, make it a component, move, control, and this one we don't have to invert because it's just a sheet. Okay. So we're still going to have a little bit of sheet. Oh, I did it wrong. No, that's right. I don't know why they're showing through. So we will have a little bit of work up under the eaves here still. We'll have to cut a few more pieces to put up there. Probably should have done that before I did this. And then we can go ahead and sheet the back in the same way. And the front in the same way. And then we'll show you how to cut out and finish up gables and stuff on the next video.